Hi, boys and girls. We're doing a lot of skip counting this week. This is really good practice for when we're trying to find the missing number in a number pattern. And it also helps us with our addition and subtraction and how fast we're able to do those math facts. So this worksheet should be pretty simple. We're just figuring out which numbers go on the line. And today we're counting by tens. So the first one starts with 10. And so we just go 20. Oops, I need my pencil. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. So when you're able to find number patterns, it helps you when you're adding, and especially as we get towards the end of the year, we're going to be adding higher numbers than 20. So it's going to be helpful for you to be able to count by tens and find these number patterns. So number 2 has 90 right in the middle. So we're going to need to count forwards and backwards by tens. So most people think it's easier to start with going forward. So let's do that. After 90 is 100. And then it's 110, 120. And then counting backwards, what comes before 90? 80, 70, and 60. Very good. So now we have 30. So we're going to just keep counting 40, 50, 60, and 70. And then when I count backwards, I'm going 20 and 10. So then if you notice on number 4, oops, I need to make my 6 a little more clear. There we go. The numbers are the exact same. So we can just copy it on down because 20 was the second number. So we can just copy all of these numbers because it matches right up. Now number 5, 100 is at the very end. So we're going to need to count backwards, starting with 100. So what comes before when we're counting by tens? It's 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, and 40. Okay. So now when we get to number 6, we are going to need to count forwards and backwards, starting with 40. So let's go 50. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm going to erase that because that's not my best. 50. And what comes after 50? 60, 70, and 80. And then going the other way, it's 30 and 20. Okay, now we're going to keep going on line number 7. We have 80. Oh, it looks like there's 80 here and 80 here. They line up perfectly. So 90 and 100. And then when we count backwards, 70, 60, 50, and 40. Okay, now I want you to try the last 3 lines by yourself, and then see if you're able to do it. And then I want you to push pause and try it. And when you're finished, press play and let's check it. Okay, so go ahead and push pause and try the last 3 lines. Okay, so I want you to check the last 3 lines, and if you need to make any corrections, you can make those corrections. We started with 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then I want you to check the last 2 lines and fix any numbers that you might have gotten confused with. When you're finished, push play and let's go to the back side. All right, boys and girls, we're going to be adding +1s and 2s and 3s on this side. So whatever strategy works best for you, I want you to go ahead and try it. And when you're done, do what your teacher has you do next.